class, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will discuss about the friction. Okay, so let's start. In this slide we will discuss about the definition of friction. Friction is caused by the irregularities on the surfaces in contact. Means when one surface come in contact with another surface, or if one surface is rough, then there will be friction appear. Irregularities on the two surfaces lock in to one another. जैसे कि for example when we walk on the surface, so our sole of shoes come in the contact with the road surface, है ना. So here is the friction generate in between the sole of the shoes and the floor of the surface. Okay, so a necessary of evil. Friction a necessary of evil. Evil means the whenever the continue friction occur in any thing, then it will be रिड्यूस, है ना. जैसे कि कोई चीज़ है, आप बार बार उसको किसी चीज़ पर रब करते हो तो इट बिकम द ये घिस जाता है ना, वो बिल्कुल तरीके से वो हो जाता है, उनमें उसमें ग्रिप नहीं रहती. जैसे शूज़ ही हैं अपनी, व्हेन वी यूज अ शू फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, तो उसके सोल बिकम flat, है ना. there will grip become reduce. So it is the because of friction. Recall now some of your experience. Is it easier to hold a cooler? जैसे कि हम whenever we hold a cooler, an earthen pot, so if it will be the smooth, means if there is no any roughness on the surface of cooler, then how can we hold? It will be slip now from our hand, but because of the roughness on the cooler surface, we can hold it easily, है ना. Second is, suppose the outer surface of the tumbler is greasy or has a thin layer of the cooking oil on it. ठीक है. Next is, a friction is an evil. 2. It wears out the materials, whether they are screw, ball bearing or soles of shoes. Means जैसे कि मैंने भी बताया था कि वो जो सोल ऑफ शूज़ बिकम आउट ऑफ मटेरियल, है ना. जो वी यूज अ स्क्रू so long time, it become the out of material, it become lose its screwness of become loose, है ना. तो it is because of evilness of friction. A friction can produce heat. ठीक है. How can it produce? We use matchbox stick on the rough. When we rub a matchbox stick on a rough surface, then it produce fire now. As like vigorously rub our, whenever we vigorously rub our palms together few minutes, it become warm, है ना. When you touch it with your cheeks, you feel it is warm, है ना. When you strike a matchbox against the rough surface, it catches fire. The jar of mixer becomes hot when as like we use a mixer grinder so long time, it become hot, so we have to rest for few minutes. Okay, increase and reducing friction, and we can also reduce friction by use some lubricants, है ना. जैसे कि when we play carom, for the slide of the goatees of carom board, on carom board we sprinkle the powder, as you are watching in this picture, है ना. So by the use of powder, we reduce the friction in between the carom board and the goatee. As like how it works, देखो, lubricant, it a substance which reduce the friction is called lubricant. जैसे one surface is one material and another surface is this one, two surfaces are there, and when we apply lubricant there, it become a layer in between two surfaces, and because of this layer the friction become reduced. Okay, fluid friction. What is fluid? As like a solid material Friction also present in the fluid. In scientific terms, what is fluid? Fluid is water and other liquid exerts force of friction when objects move through them. You see, in science, the common name of gases and liquids is fluid. Okay, the frictional force exerted by fluid is called a drag. जो फ्रिक्शन फोर्स फ्लूइड के बाय फ्लूइड अप्लाई होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम साइंटिफिक टर्म में? ड्रैग. और फ्लूइड में विच टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल इंक्लूडेड? वन गैसियस एंड लिक्विड, बोथ मटेरियल्स आर इंक्लूडेड. ओके, next is the two different type of friction also. Wheel reduce the friction. Wheel also reduce the, we have used a trolley bag, so here is trolley bag, it is the rolling friction, and we can easily move on the road or any surface because of the rolling friction, है ना. If there will not roll wheels on the trolley bag, then how we will take a trolley easily anywhere, है ना. तो our trolley also become damage, could damage, है ना. So when one body rolls over the surface of another body, the resistance to its motion is called a rolling friction. Okay, sliding friction. The rolling friction is smaller than the sliding friction. Sliding is replaced the most machines by the rolling, by the valve wearing. By the use of valve wearing, the sliding friction reduce the friction. Common example are use of ball bearing between the axle of ceiling fan and bicycle. Ball bearing present. So here I have I try to explain you some friction concept by the help of some slides. So I hope you get understood about this chapter. And so if there is any query in your mind, then please feel free to question me in my comment box. I will try to explain it. So thank you for watching my video, and if you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel and also share it. Thank you for watching.